I bought and tested these cookware sets so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. In a world full of options, it could be overwhelming to choose the right cookware for your gloss stovetop. That's why I've put these 5 sets through their paces, ensuring they stand up to the daily rigors of cooking. Let's dive into what each set offers and why they might be the perfect addition to your kitchen.
Product number 1, the Cookware 17 Pieces Pots and Pan Set. The Cookware 17 Pieces Pots and Pan Set is a game changer for any kitchen enthusiast. I remember the first time I opened the box, immediately struck by the cream white finish that felt both modern and inviting. This set's highlight is the detachable handle, which allows for seamless transitions between stovetop cooking, oven baking, and even serving. One of the biggest challenges for those cooking on glass stovetops is managing space, and this set excels in that department. With the handles off, I could stack the pots and pans, saving an impressive 70% of storage space. This feature alone makes it a must-have for anyone with a compact kitchen. The non-stick surface is another standout. Unlike some non-stick cookware, which can wear out quickly, the Cookware set has shown remarkable durability. I've made everything from scrambled eggs to stir-fried vegetables, and I can't emphasize enough how effortlessly food slides out of the pans. The cleanup? Essentially non-existent. Just a quick rinse and they're good to go, making them perfect for those hectic weeknight dinners. Another feature worth mentioning is the robust construction. These pots are designed for even heat distribution, so I found that my meals cooked uniformly without any hot spots, which is crucial, especially when preparing delicate sauces or perfectly seared meats. The ergonomically designed Bakelite handle is heat resistant and fits comfortably in hand even during long cooking sessions. However, it's important to note that while the non-stick feature is fantastic, the set isn't suitable for induction cooktops, which could limit its appeal for some users. Still, given its versatility, I found it to be an excellent fit for my glass stovetop. The warranty provided by Cookware also adds a layer of reassurance. They promise a 12-month warranty, which means that if I encounter any issues, I can get help without hassle. This level of customer support reflects their commitment to quality and consumer satisfaction. In terms of value, at $49.99 for a 17-piece set, it's hard to argue against its affordability, especially considering the quality and features it brings to the table. In conclusion, I wholeheartedly recommend the Cookware 17 Pieces Pots and Pan Set. It's not just about cooking, it's about enhancing your culinary experiences while making your life easier. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this set will elevate your time in the kitchen. Product number 2, Cuisinart 77 11G Stainless Steel 11-Piece Set. The Cuisinart 77 11G Stainless Steel 11-Piece Set is a staple in any serious cook's kitchen. Upon unboxing, I was immediately impressed with the solid feel of the stainless steel construction. This set is not just aesthetically pleasing, it's built for performance. One of the first things I noticed while using it was the aluminum encapsulated base, which ensures quick heating and even heat distribution. It's essential for avoiding those dreaded hot spots that can ruin a meal. I made a classic marinara sauce in the 3-quart saucepan, and I was amazed at how evenly the sauce simmered. No burning or sticking, just beautifully cooked flavors melding together. The cool grip handles are a brilliant feature. They stay cool to the touch, which is a lifesaver when you're juggling multiple pots on the stove. I also appreciated the riveted design, which adds durability and a sense of security when pouring. The glass lids are another thoughtful inclusion. They fit snugly and allow you to monitor your cooking without losing heat. However, I did notice that the lids can get quite hot, so using oven mitts is a must. Cleaning this set is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for someone like me who values convenience after a long day of cooking. However, I recommend hand washing to prolong its pristine look. With a price point that's competitive for the quality offered, this set is an investment in your cooking future. It's versatile enough to handle everything from stovetop to oven, and at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can bake, sauté, and simmer with confidence. Plus, Cuisinart backs it with a lifetime warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in their product. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and stylish cookware set, the Cuisinart 7711G is a fantastic choice. It combines functionality with a professional touch, making it ideal for both everyday use and special occasions.
Product number 3. Astercook Nonstick Pots and Pan Set. The Astercook Nonstick Pots and Pan Set is a remarkable collection that caught my attention for its healthy cooking approach. Upon receiving the set, I was impressed with its sleek black design, which feels both modern and chic in the kitchen. What really sets this cookware apart is its titanium nonstick coating. I've always been cautious about nonstick cookware, but the absence of harmful chemicals like PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS reassured me. During my first cooking experience, whipping up a breakfast omelet, I was delighted to find that the food slid right out of the pan without any residue. It made cleaning up a breeze too. The handles are another highlight. They're designed with an electroplated wood grain finish that not only looks great, but also provides a comfortable grip and is heat resistant. I made several meals and the handles never got too hot to hold, which is a significant advantage when you're in the thick of cooking. The shatter-resistant glass lids are both practical and stylish. They allow me to keep an eye on my meals without lifting the lid, which is a great feature for maintaining moisture and flavor. This set is compatible with all heat sources, including induction, which is a huge plus for versatile cooking. I used it on my glass stovetop and the heat distribution was fantastic. Everything cooked evenly without any scorching. However, unlike some other sets, this one requires a bit more care regarding the cleaning process. While it's dishwasher safe, I found hand washing to be more effective in maintaining the integrity of the nonstick coating. The 19 pieces included in the set cover everything from frying pans to stock pots, making it a comprehensive solution for family cooking. At $79.99, I believe it's a fair price for the quality you receive. Astercook also offers a 12-month warranty, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. In summary, if you're looking for a non-toxic, versatile cookware set that delivers excellent performance, the Astercook Nonstick Pots and Pan Set is a fantastic choice. It marries health-conscious cooking with practicality, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Product number 4. The Cooktop 26 PCS Pots and Pan Set. The Cooktop 26 PCS Pots and Pan Set is a culinary dream come true for those who love to cook a variety of dishes. When I first laid eyes on this set, I was amazed by the number of pieces included, 26 in total. It felt like I had opened the door to a world of cooking possibilities. Right off the bat, I noticed the reinforced die-cast aluminum construction, which ensures durability without sacrificing weight. This means I can maneuver the pots and pans easily, even when they're full of delicious food. I made a hearty chicken stew in the 6-quart stock pot, and it heated up quickly and evenly, with no hot spots. The non-stick granite material is impressive, providing a top-level ultra non-stick performance that made flipping pancakes a breeze, no sticking, no fuss. I also appreciated the thoughtful inclusion of various utensils, which means I had everything I needed right at my fingertips. One thing to keep in mind is that this set is recommended to be hand-washed. I found it easy enough to clean. Just a quick wipe with a paper towel or a rinse under water did the trick. The 7 pan protectors that come with the set are a thoughtful addition, ensuring that the non-stick surfaces are preserved and won't scratch during storage. However, as with any non-stick cookware, proper care is essential to extend the lifespan of the pots and pans. At a price point of $131.99, this set is an investment, but considering the quality and variety it offers, I believe it's worth every penny. Cooktop backs their product with a 12-month warranty, which reassures me that customer satisfaction is a priority. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that can tackle everything from frying to baking to simmering, the Cooktop 26 PCS Pots and Pan Set is an excellent choice. It's a perfect blend of quality, functionality, and versatility that will elevate your cooking experience. Product number 5. Tefal Stainless Steel Cookware Set. The Tefal Stainless Steel Cookware Set is the epitome of style and functionality, making it an enticing option for anyone serious about their culinary craft. When I first unboxed this 11-piece set, the first thing that struck me was the sleek silver finish, which instantly added a touch of elegance to my kitchen. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this set promises durability that can endure the test of time. My initial experience was quite positive. I made a simple vegetable stir-fry in the 10-inch fry pan, and the even heating was immediately apparent. There were no burnt edges or undercooked spots, just perfectly sautéed vegetables. The riveted stainless steel handles provided a secure grip, which is essential when you're working with hot pans. One of the standout features is the vented glass lids, allowing me to monitor my cooking without lifting the lid and losing heat. I found the measuring marks and pouring spouts to be incredibly convenient, especially when I was working with sauces and needed to pour without spilling. Cleaning up was another win. This set is dishwasher safe, which is a huge relief after a long cooking session. However, I did notice that the exterior can show fingerprints, so a quick wipe after use helps maintain its pristine appearance. With an oven-safe rating up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, I was able to confidently use it in the oven for baked dishes, making this set incredibly versatile. Tefal also offers a limited lifetime warranty, showcasing their commitment to quality. In summary, if you're looking for a stylish, durable, and versatile cookware set that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, the Tefal stainless steel cookware set is a fantastic option. It not only meets the demands of everyday cooking, but also elevates your culinary game with its thoughtful features.
In conclusion, whether you prioritize convenience, health, or durability, there's a cookware set here to meet your needs. From Carrot's space-saving design to Cuisinart's professional-grade performance, each set has its unique strengths. Investing in quality cookware can truly elevate your cooking experience and help you create delicious meals with ease. Happy cooking!